Hey everybody, it's Dr. Michael with Lighthouse Chiropractic, and today we're doing a pregnancy adjustment. As you can see, our table drops, so mom here can lay face down, and that table piece will drop for her so she's comfortable. There we go. All right, so we do something called the Webster technique, and that really is about lining up the pelvis so that baby's in a great position, and healthy mom equals healthy baby. Good. Deep breath in and relax. So we recheck there, make sure that everything's looking good and balanced. And there we go.